Hi. This is Abuzar and you watching Abuzar Chattha official. History of Muslim scientist. Number 1. Muhammad bin Musa al-Khawazmi. He was born 780–847 AD in Khawazm. He contributed richly in the field of mathematics, astronomy, and geography and was one of the greatest scientists of all times. He was considered as an authority on mathematics. Composed the oldest work on arithmetics, algebra and astronomy. Number 2. Abu Ali Sina. He was born in 980 AD at Bukhara. He is considered as an intellect giant of the Middle Ages. He contributed to medical science, philosophy, logic, mathematics, astronomy, and music. His famous book, Al-Qanun fil Tib Canon in Latin, was translated in many languages and it remained the sole textbook of medicine for a long time. Number 3. Al-Razi. He was born 865–925. He was a Persian Muslim and a great physician by profession. He was also interested in physics and chemistry. Along with Ibne Sina, he was the most brilliant pillar of Islamic medicine. He contributed in the fields of music, philosophy, mathematics, astronomy and ethics. Wrote a monograph on diseases of children. An excellent teacher of medicine. His famous books are 1. Arabian Medicine. 2. Kitab-e-Manshuri. 3. Kitab al-Asrar. 4. Al-Hori. Number 4. Al-Mawardi. He was born in Basra in 1058 AD. He died in 1123 AD. He was a learned political economist. He was an expert on diverse subjects like religion, ethics, literature and politics. His famous books are 1. Al-Bayan wa Tabi'an. 2. Al-Anan as-Sultaniyya. 3. Al-Iqna. Number 5. Al-Biruni. He was born near the town of Khawazm in 973 AD. He was a physician, a geographer and a historian. He explained the problems of advanced trigonometry. He discovered the light travels faster than sound. He made people understand the terms of longitude and latitude. Number 6. Abu Ishaq Al-Kindi. He was born in the beginning or 9th century in Basra. He was known as Al-Kindis in the West, and was a great physicist. He wrote a treatise on geometrical and physiological optics. Gave his opinion about the laws that govern the law of falling bodies. Also gave his contribution in music and specific weights. He also gave some facts about the reflection of light. Number 7. Ibne Al-Haitham. Known as Al-Hasan in the West. He was born at Basra in 975 AD. He was a great mathematician, physiologist and optician. He is well known for his works in optics which were translated into Latin. He explained refraction of light rays through transparent objects, discovered magnifying lenses and function of retina as the seat of vision. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.